There's no limit to the lengths we'll go for our Idea Kit clients.
The bigger the idea, the better, right?
So when you say you want to shoot a video in your backyard,
and you live in bear country,
I'm not sure we're insured for that.
but we can do it.
Or you say you want to include your entire team in your shoot.
But they can't stop laughing.
Sorry.
We can do it.
You say you want to shoot a video about the economy and whitewater rafting,
And whitewater rafting? Okay, we can do it.
as long as you wear your life jacket.
When you say you want to show what it's really like to be back in the office.
Pick a lane already!
Let's get real. We can do that.
Or you say you want to show your dog whiskey in your video.
We can do it, but he might find it a little boring.
When you say you want to shoot a video in paradise.
But I'm in Maui. But I'm in Maui. But I'm in Maui.
You get yourself to the beach, and we can do it.
You say you want to shoot your video in a movie theater.
Where real moviegoers are loading up on popcorn.
That makes me hungry. But we can do it.
You say you want to dress up like a turkey for your holiday video.
I guess you're kind of right. I do like dressing like a turkey.
Heck yeah, we can do it.
You say you want to give your 3-year-old a speaking part in your video.
Just say Luke. Can you just say my name's Luke?
We might need your help on that one.
2022 has been a year full of memorable moments.
Keep them coming in 2023.
We're ready.
We are ready.